So I'm just doing some housework here. Rumble wants to help, of course. He's not the biggest fan of vacuum cleaners. Sometimes I can get him to fight it. What happens if I vacuum up his hand? Then what? Now Rocket's interested in what we're doing over here. Hey Rocket, what's that? Rocket's a lot more scared of the vacuum cleaner than Rumble, who is more interested in fighting with it. But you can see if I get it close to Rocket, he'll run away. He doesn't like it. Not that Rumble exactly likes it. What's that, honey? Are you smelling that? Okay, well that was it.